Want this? First, head over to your sequence and prepare your clips by cutting them into 25 frame segments. You can easily move 5 frames forward by pressing Shift plus right arrow on your keyboard. Next, go to the Effects panel, find the Transform effect, and drag and drop it onto your clip. In the Effect Controls panel, open Transform Settings and add a Scale keyframe at the very beginning with a value of 115. Move a few frames forward, reset the scale to 100, and drag this keyframe to the end of the clip. Now, return to the start and add a Position keyframe. Adjust the value slightly, just make sure there are no black edges on the screen. Move 5 frames forward and increase the value, again ensuring no black bars appear at the top. Move another 5 frames and reset the position. Double-check your playback for any black frames. If you spot any, go back to that specific keyframe and fix it. Finally, move 10 frames from your last keyframe and reset it once more, just like this. After that, return to the Effects panel and apply Gaussian Blur to your clip. In Effect Controls, open Gaussian Blur and set a keyframe at the start with a value of 100. Move 10 frames forward and drop that value to 0. To give the video more punch, drag the Lumetri color effect onto your clip. Expand the Basic Correction tab, and under Exposure, set a keyframe at the start with a value of 1. Move 3 frames ahead and reset it to 0. Your effect is now ready. Select all these effects together, right-click to copy, and paste them onto your remaining clips. Pro tip: if you want this transition to look softer and more natural, go back to the Transform settings. Move the second keyframe to the 6th frame and shift the third keyframe 6 frames forward. Finally, push the last keyframe 10 frames further ahead. This creates a much smoother motion. Save this for your next edit and subscribe to my channel for more professional Premiere Pro tutorials like this.